Hi, Jessie here. I am so thrilled you found this video because that means you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils. Specifically, in this video, I want to teach you how to clean your diffuser. It's super easy. All you need is a diffuser. You need white vinegar. I like to use lemon essential oil and then Q-tips and the soft cloth to wipe it out at the end. It's so easy. So pause this video, go run and grab your items, and then come back and I will show you how to do this. I get asked often, well, when do I need to clean my diffuser? How frequently? And I'm just telling you right now, I don't clean them super often. When they start slowing down and looking dirty, that's when I clean them. So I might say do it every week. In reality, do I do it every week? Nope, I don't. But usually there'll be a point where I just notice that all my diffusers are looking a little gunky. They might not be outputting as much. And so I'm like, it's time. And then I'll go around my house and I'll gather all my diffusers usually and do it at once. My house smells like vinegary lemon for a while, but it's great because it helps clean the air and all the things. So what you're gonna need to do is get your diffuser. I have one right here. It's even dusty on the top. But then, let's look here. Can you see the inside? This is where dirt happens. I live on a feedlot in the country. There's dust everywhere. So that's probably part of it. But then also, depending what essential oils you use, there just could be some more residue that's left. So you need your diffuser. And then I run to my laundry room. This is the vinegar that I have. And if my diffuser is sort of dirty, I'll splash in some white vinegar and then I'll fill it with a little bit more of my water, just regular old water. But if it's really dirty, I'll just fill it with white vinegar and then I put in about 5 drops of lemon and then I turn it on and I let it run for a while. Sometimes when I get doing other things, it'll run for an hour, like however long my diffuser is set. But I'd say try and let it run for at least 10, 15, 20 minutes or so. And then you're going to clean it afterwards. But the key is first you want to diffuse that vinegary combo with lemon. Okay, so I filled it up. I've got white vinegar in here. This one's pretty dirty, so I just did white vinegar. But again, you could always do some white vinegar and then water as well. But white vinegar, it's not like it's super expensive, so I just go big and I just put it all white vinegar. And then I did 5 drops of lemon. I'm going to set this running. You do the same with yours, and I'll see you in a little bit. Is your diffuser going? While we're waiting for our diffusers to run with our vinegary lemon concoction, I really quick wanted to let you know, every Thursday I release a new YouTube video, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you don't have a personal one-on-one mentor yet in doTERRA, I would be honored to be that person for you. If you're not working with someone else, my contact info is in the show notes. Reach out. I can help you get 25% off whenever you order your doTERRA essential oils. And you would get me as your essential oil mentor. And the information I put out on YouTube, I'm obsessed with educating people about doTERRA. But know that this information is just tip of the iceberg. There's so much more information I have that I can educate you on and teach you about. So if you don't have someone yet, let me be that person for you one-on-one, and I would just absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, go check your diffuser. I'll see you soon. I'm back. Go run and get your diffuser and let's clean it now. You're gonna be just astounded with how much gunk this simple process got out of your diffuser. So I got my vinegary concoction. I'm going to dump it out. Okay, watch this. Watch this. Can you see? I'm just going to start rubbing it with a Q-tip and look at all that gunk coming off. Okay, so I'm not going to make you watch me go through all of these little pieces, but can you just see I'm going around really gently. It's getting the gunk off. I'm going to rinse it out. Sometimes if my diffuser's really, really gunky, I will do this and then I'll run another vinegar cycle and just keep doing that. But I promise you that you are going to get it all nice and clean. One thing I want to point out, some diffuser parts you can take off. Like, I don't think this is one I want to take out. Sometimes you can't. But some of them, these little pieces, you can pop off. But underneath here, that right there, that's the disc, the ultrasonic disc. Very gently clean around in there. Because often I will find if that piece is clean, my diffuser is going to work a lot better. So go grab your Q-tips, do some cleaning. I'm going to keep doing this as well. And I will be back in a second to show you this all rinsed out. Checking in again. So what I just did, it looks way better, right? I think I'm gonna do one more vinegar lemon run because, hey, I'm doing this for my YouTube video and I want you to see how sparkling clean I'm gonna get this. But what I just finished doing as of now was I did what I told you, and I took a Q-tip and I went around, I just rubbed stuff around and I put some more water in, rinsed it out, and then with nothing in the diffuser, I put just a couple drops of lemon. You don't want to use harsh kitchen soaps and stuff like that. Just vinegar, lemon, water, Q-tips, soft towel. But I put a couple drops of lemon around. I don't know if you can see, like this was really gunky before, but lemon, it gets sticky stuff off. And some essential oils can be really sticky, like the residue. And so that's where lemon just gets all that sticky stuff off. And so I put some undiluted lemon drops around. I took a Q-tip, I just rubbed, and more, again, just stuff kept coming off. And so again, it's pretty darn clean right now. So you just might be happy right here with where I'm at. But I'm just gonna do one more run with the vinegar and lemon to get that diffuser going again. Then I'm gonna do one more wipe out, and then I'm going to show you again the final project. Okay, happy cleaning. Okay, I just finished my second vinegar lemon diffusing time, and I still haven't dumped out the vinegary lemon concoction. I'm just taking my Q-tip and I'm running around in there, and I'm glad I did because I'm just getting the last little bits off. And then I'm just going all over the place, guys, making sure I'm getting all the little crevices in the diffuser. And that's where Q-tip's really nice, and they're so soft and gentle. So I'm gonna dump out my concoction, and I'm gonna go around a little bit more. You see, I'm still getting stuff. Can you see that? So this diffuser was really dirty. Let's just be real. So it was a good one to demo with. So I'm going around that ultrasonic disc down there. So that's what it vibrates really fast. And that's what allows essential oils and the water to mix in the diffuser and go into the air in a different manner than, say, like a humidifier. So here we go. Are you ready for the grand reveal? Look at that. Isn't that so much cleaner? Check it out. This was before, and this is now. Vinegar, lemon essential oil, and then your diffuser. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would just love it if you did. I release a new video every Thursday. If you need an essential oil mentor, I would love to be your gal. In the show notes, my contact info is there, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.